Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Asan Insights. My name is Asan Khurram, and in this channel I teach small business owners how they can actually bring their business online to Shopify or WordPress and ultimately scale their business to $1 million in revenue with the help of social ads or Google paid ads. So I got a request from my client that he wants to produce some videos on a particular topic, but he doesn't actually know what kind of videos he should be posting about. So this is where I actually teach you how you can actually search on Google with using free tools. You can actually look at the content that is being searched by your target audience and ultimately use that information to make videos that get views. That being said, I will teach you how to use that tool. So first of all, you need a Google Ads Manager account. Once you have that, the next thing you are going to do, you will go towards the goal, and then you will go towards the tool. Then you will go towards the keyword planner. Here are two things. Here it says that discover new keywords and search, get search volume and forecast. So here's the thing, like if you want to get an idea about what kind of content is being searched by your target audience, you will go towards this option like discover new keywords. But if you already have your website or a competitor website and you do have the keywords in your bucket, then you will go toward this option. Then you will upload your keywords, and it will help you get some idea about what kind of search volume for each keyword is there. So we will go towards discover new keywords because we are interested in to know about what kind of keywords are being searched. So we will, after clicking on that, the first thing we need to do, we need to change the location to overall. Okay. So what I actually did, I go to this location tag, then I click on this cross button, then I click on save. Now once that being done, I'm going to write my primary keyword, which is Tableau, and then I will hit enter. Then I will get results, and then I will show this by average month searches. Okay, so now we can get an idea like what kind of searches are being searched on internet, and based on that what kind of content we can create. So okay, we do see something like Tableau Power by, so it's a good indication. It also has lower competition, so the customer can actually do well by producing content because he doesn't have that competition to face. In the same way, like we see that Tableau and sale for Tableau data visualization, so something that this is something that we can produce the content on. Then we have like Tableau reporting, Tableau business intelligence, Tableau APIs, and Tableau analytics, Tableau website. So I will just simply, what I will do, I will first of all cancel that. Now that being done, I will click on this keyword ideas. Okay, so it will give me a CSV file of the whole data I have actually present. So based on that search volume, I can actually suggest my client like, okay, these are the most searched topics, and these are the topics that has very low competition. So you can actually produce content on that thing, and this will ultimately help you gain more traffic towards your website, towards your Google YouTube channel. So I hope this tutorial have been helpful to you. If you have any question regarding today's tutorial, feel free to write down your comments. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you for joining me.